everybody, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another organization video. This one is going to be very short and sweet. We have been playing along with this crafty organization bingo that I created. I also did one for decluttering. They are both available over in my Facebook group. They are in the featured section, and we have just been playing along. If you are on Facebook, I can email this to you. The details to do that is below in the description box. So as you can see, we have tackled quite a few things. And I actually already got a bingo. Yay, woohoo. So, with that being said though, we still have quite a few things to do, but they are videos for all of the ones that are colored in. But today we are going to do adhesive, I don't know, whatever y'all. Your glue, your tape runner, your ATG gun, all the things. Glue sticks. So I have mine stored in this iris case. You have to decide what works best for you. I used to have mine in a small acrylic bin and I just left it out on my table. And then I used to have it in my rainbow cart and I kind of outgrew that. So I've now moved to an iris case. Y'all saw when we decluttered, I cleaned a lot of things out of here. Since then, I have restocked on my foam tape. I use a lot of it for my embellishments. But this is messy. But this is easy to just throw under my table and then pull it out whenever I need tape or whatever. But like, it's messy, and the tape sometimes starts coming unraveled. It gets caught on other tape. Then I got a big tape mess. It's as bad as Pip getting a hold of it and tearing it up. So I thought I would organize within this iris container. Same concept as if you had a drawer. I know a lot of y'all probably use drawers to organize, but I have all these extra containers that are just Dollar Tree containers. This one comes in a 2-pack. I think this one comes in a 3-pack, maybe. But anyways, and I think these come in a 2-pack. But I'm just going to kind of organize. I don't know because I haven't tried this yet, but okay. Yeah, I think I can fit 2 in here, and I think it'll still close okay. Yeah, it should be short enough that it can close okay. So, I'm just going to start by putting all my foam tape in here. I don't know if I will even be able to let it stand up. Nope, it's going to have to lay down. Okay, so, plan 9900. I'm just going to kind of put all my foam tape in this container, and it may not hold it all. I did stock up. I recently found a bunch on clearance, so I grabbed it. And this is my some double stick tape that I do like to use. So I'll just put it in here. Let's see. These are a bunch of rolls of double stick tape. It works really good, but it's like all squishy. I got this off Temu, and it came with like, I don't know. I really liked it though because it was so narrow. But it's, like I said, all janky. I think this is double stick tape also that someone gave me. And then I have my foam squares. I have all of these. These were supposed to be to put in albums to, so that they're not so, that it levels them out with the expanders. But I don't like those albums. I don't take them apart to use them like that. So I was thinking I could just keep these and cut them down if, God forbid, I run out of foam tape and don't have anything else. I could cut these apart and just use them to pop my pieces up. So that's my thinking on that one. Let's see if we can fit it all. And then I have these sheets. So, let's see. That might work. Oh, I missed stuff over here. Okay, I think the sheets can go here. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, so I don't need these. So voila, and I can still shut it. Woo woo, and it won't fall out. So if I flip it upside down or I stand it up on its side, everything will stay in the baskets. So that's awesome. So let me know how you organize yours. I would love to know. Oh, and I have this out because I've been telling y'all, while you have all your things out, wipe it down, which this one don't really need it. It's not really that dirty. But wipe your containers down inside and out so that whenever you get your room organized, everything is clean. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I hope this inspires you to find different ways to organize your adhesive if it isn't working for you. And until tomorrow, bye y'all.